without a soundtrack. So we thank our musicians for getting us started and lifting our spirits.
This resistance moment, but also this moment of casting a vision of a world that not just that we want to live in, but that we will live in, because we will do it when we band together and tell this administration hands off. So, Jaya Saviti from API Can.
It is so great to be here with you today. Boston runs on Dunkin's, and Boston also runs on resistance, and it has for 250 years. This is the
Plenty of room, plenty good room, plenty good room, plenty good room in the City Hall Plaza. Give it up for my co-MC, the Reverend Mariama White-Hammond.
All right, y'all. So we're to privacy, hands off. The right to reproductive justice, hands off. Right to religion and freedom of belief, hands off. And today, the right to speech and protest, hands off.
What democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like.
Saya Nitya Anissa, saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.